What's up, everyone? In this issue of Motive Garage presented by Sparesbox, we are at Aus Time Attack to test out our GR Supra at Wakefield. Now, if you've been watching our channel, you'll know that Wakefield is one of my favourite racetracks and we test a lot of cars here, but I've never actually tested out our GR Supra. So I thought I'd bring it to Aus Time Attack to compete in the production sprint category. So to do that, I had to remove the front splitter and the rear wing. So all the car has now is a downpipe, a tune with EcoTech by Croydon Racing Developments. It has some pads, lines and fluid from V-Sport. It has Veris Engineering camber tops, a wheel alignment by DNA Autosport, and it has a set of second-hand Yokohama AO52 tyres. What will it run? I don't know. I'm here to have fun, but like anything, we'll give it a bit of a crack. All I can say is, wow. I've never actually driven Wakefield in the Supra before. I don't know why, I've been meaning to. And this car just delivers once again. This track is basically perfect for this car, in my opinion. Sydney Motorsport Park was a bit too fast for it. Motorcana's a killer fun. I was always hoping this track would be right for this car. And man, it is just so good around here. It's good to see more Supras are getting used for track work because they are just phenomenal. Don't know what the time is, don't care. All I care was it was a heap of fun. But you guys want a lap time, right? Wow, that is that's actually quicker than I expected. A 107.18. For what this car is, that's unreal. It obviously could go quicker with a pro driver, but that's my first session in the car. Wasn't perfect. I've got more to learn at this track, but to be able to pump out a 107.1 that easily on second-hand Yokohama AO52s when all the car's got is a downpipe, tune, brake pads, lines and fluid, and a set of strut tops with a wheel alignment, man, that is mega impressive. That's quicker than I've gone in just about every car at Wakefield except for Jet 200. I actually haven't done that lap time in the Yaris yet. And what does that mean? Well, it doesn't mean the Yaris isn't quicker than this. What it means is I can drive this better than I can drive the Yaris. I'm just more comfortable in this car. I can get the most out of this car and I have heaps of fun doing it, and that's what matters. That's why this car is so good. I don't want to get rid of it, but someone's gonna get to win what I've built here and enjoy it as much as I have, hopefully, because LMCT Plus, they're buying it and they're gonna raffle it off, so enjoy it. Let's hope we can get in the 106s. Let's do it. Second session, once again, wow, I love this car. It's a car that is fun without being stressful, but it's also a bit playful. So it gives me everything I want in a car, to be honest. Some people will complain, oh, but it's auto. But man, when you're driving this thing flat out, pulling paddle shifts, you actually forget that it's auto. It just feels like a dual clutch. The shift is that good. The downshift is that good. Do I wish it was a H pattern or a sequential? To be honest, not really. It's just a lot of fun the way it is, but it's stress-free fun. It's a different type of fun to Jet 200 or the GTR. So you can drive this here, stay at a hotel, you know, have a road trip, go to the track, do a track day, drive home, go out to dinner, then do the school run in a car without changing anything. And that's what I love about it so much. So at the start of today, people go, oh, Andrew, what's your goal for today? And I actually said to have fun, I don't really care. But once you get a lap under your belt, you can't help it. You want to see if you can go quicker. So I don't know if that was any quicker. I have a habit of like the first run of the day on when the tyres, you know, haven't been used up too much, ends up being my quickest. So let's see if I changed it all. No, 107.1. So still there. And that's the story of this car. Every time I've taken this to the track, my first session is the quickest and I never even match it for the rest of the day. I don't know why. Could be tyres, could be temperature, whatever, but all I care is I'm still doing them. That's what matters to me. And the car is so much fun. I really don't want to get rid of it, but got to do what you got to do. Three sessions in the Supra and all I can say is this, wow, fantastic car. This car always surprises me wherever I go. The fact that I could do a 107.1 in the first session within a couple of laps is super impressive. That's quicker than I ever drove my GC8 WRX or my Yaris on Hoosier R-Comp tyres, and this did it on a street tyre. So it's probably the last time I'm going to race this car because, as you all know, LMCT Plus are buying our Supra and raffling it off so you can win. If you want a chance to win it, make sure you go to the description below, click the link and become a member of LMCT Plus. All I know is all of our development work and proof of this car is going to pay off for one of you guys if you win it. Enjoy.